Hey everybody, Mr. Ort here. Today I'm going to show you what I'm doing with all of your native plant sign designs. So at this point, hopefully you've submitted, but looking at our numbers, I only have 18 out of a possible 63 submitted. So most of you need to get on the ball and get this turned in. And I was going to show you what I do to actually print it out on a wooden sign. Step one is creating it as an Adobe Illustrator file. So what I've done was I've extracted and downloaded all of the submissions, and then I open up one at a time. Sorry, Brian, I'm using you as an example, but once I do this, I double check to make sure everything's good. You get your full points. Does it follow our kind of formatting? So that's all you're really doing at this point. So then when I get to that point, I'll click File, and I'm actually going to print it. I'm going to set it as a Microsoft Print to PDF. And for this, I'm going to actually print off my example page because I already saved yours. So I'll save it as a PDF file and click Print, Save. And this one is Blueberry. And once I have them saved in a spot, I'll go to my Adobe Illustrator, and I've actually set the board to be 24 by 18 inches. And this is going to be the size of our wood frame that we can actually cut out. And once I get in here, I'll add an object. Let's see, where did I put it? I think it's open or place. There we go. I'm going to place an object under nature trail to Blueberry, place, and I'm just going to put it right up here in the corner. And notice it gives me the whole sign. I'm going to try and use up as little space as possible. There we go. And there we go. Once I get these all placed, what I'm going to end up doing is tracing them out with a box, a rectangle. And the rectangle, I'm actually going to make sure that it does not have a fill. Otherwise, that would be bad. And I need to make sure I have a stroke, which means this is going to be where my laser is cutting. So I want to make sure I set this at 0.01. Otherwise, the laser will cut too thick. I would like to get it to a nice even ratio. So I might bump my width up to a nice even 10. And we are going to link it. Oh, delete that extra one there. So now that I have that, I have a box around my, there it is. I have a box around my sign. I'm going to just place that a little better. And now when I print it out, you'll actually see this be etched in on the wood. And then the little line that I made on the outside, this little dude right here, will actually cut. And that's how I'm going to do this for every single sign. So the signs are going to be about 10 inches by 6 inches, a little bit about there, or a little less than 6. And then once I get them on the board, I'll probably be able to do, at least 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 on a single page or on a single sheet. And once I do that, it should be lovely.